Hey guys, so a ton of you guys have been asking how exactly do you put those really cute fonts that you see in some of the Plan With Me videos, how do you get those on your own planner? Because they are not something that came with GoodNotes naturally. So today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, and it's so easy. So as you can see, what I'm using today is an iPad Pro 11-inch 2nd generation, and I've got the Apple II pencil, and that's what I use for my digital planning. So the first thing that we are going to do is we're going to go into our app store. You're going to download an app that's going to help convert the font into our iPad. The font app that I have been using is AnyFonts, and it has worked beautifully. I've been using it for quite some time now. Now, I know a lot of people are also saying that the iFont is a free with in-app purchase. Both of them I've heard tons of good things about. So if you're new here, my name is Terry. I am super glad that you're with us. So join our little community. We do planning videos every single Wednesday, and I'm always looking to help you guys to be more confident and really use your planner. All right, so our first step after we've got the AnyFonts app downloaded, we're going to go to the internet, and as you can see, I've already got Dafonts.com open. So that's one of many places that you can get free fonts. Now, you can go to any of those places. It really doesn't matter. This just happens to be my favorite one. What you're going to find here, you don't have to log in. You don't have to do anything. The first fonts that you see are like the newest added. You can search by, do I want script? Do I want handwriting? Like, there are so many different ways that you can search for it. Top authors. The themes, that's what I was talking about here. I love the scripts. That is often something that I use. And then there's also the dingbats. So if you're looking for a specific thing there, you could definitely download the dingbats, and that would give you a lot of those things. So I like handwritten a lot. So let's just take a look at the handwritten. And as you can see, some cute stuff. So let's just start off with paper notes. That's right here at the top, easy to see. So you're gonna hit the download. Now before we hit download, I want you to look at one other thing. You're gonna see right here, it says free for personal use. Most of them are gonna say that, but sometimes it will be a demo. And if it's a demo, you won't get every single thing. So if you do download a demo, it's gonna be missing a few things. That's okay, don't freak out about it. But just remember, if you're gonna use this for commercial, like for an Etsy store or, you know, anything that you're gonna sell, you will have to buy the license. It will not be included usually, but just check the licensing on each and every one of them before you use it for crafts that you're planning to sell. So we're gonna download the paper notes. Download. All right, you can see right up here, the little circle with the drop arrow is showing that it's downloading. And once it gets finished, we're gonna go ahead and unzip the file. So, paper notes. So it comes as a zipped file. You just have to click it, and now it's gonna unzip it for us. All right, now that it's unzipped it, you're gonna open the file. Now, there are a lot of different things that are included in the download. Usually there's a TTF, there might even be an OTF here. And then usually they'll put like some licensing agreements and things like that. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just click on the paper notes TTF, and then you're gonna export it. So that little thing up here, and now you have to tell it how you're gonna export it. So I'm gonna export it through AnyFont. You see that's that font thing that we downloaded. So I'm gonna click on that, and now it's gonna open up, and I see these are some of the fonts that I've already downloaded. And you see all of them are checked off but that one. That's the one that I just did, the paper notes. And I need to download it completely. So I'm gonna click it, and it's gonna ask me to install. So we're gonna hit install. It's gonna ask that it's trying to, you know, download something. Do we want to allow this? So yes, allow. And now it's saying that you need to go to your general settings on your iPad to allow this, because iPad does not like to allow extra things. So I'm just gonna hit done. I'm gonna come up here and let's pick up the open up your settings for your iPad. Go to general, and now you're gonna come down here to this VPN device management. It used to be profiles, but profiles went away, and now you're going there. And now look, there it is, downloaded profile paper notes. So you'll click that. And now it's saying this configuration, you know, it's trying to download. Hit install, and now you'll have to put your passcode in, and now you'll hit next, and then install again, and install again, and now it is installed. So if so far you have learned something, would you just give me a thumbs up down in the bottom corner and just like it so that I'll know that you're still with me, okay? So now let's just open up our planner. All right, so I'm just gonna pop over here and I'm gonna see if we've got it. So it was paper, what was it, paper notes. So let's go down to the P's. Here's paper notes, there it is. It's there, let's go ahead and put it in. I'm gonna make it real nice and big. Y'all know I can't write. Hi y'all. All right, so now we've got it installed and it's super cute, and you can do this to as many fonts as you want. Have fun with it. So if you want to know how to make a shortcut so that you can find the fonts that you like, go to your index. You could go down to one of your open indexes. All right, so what you can do is just go down through and write in what it looks like. So, and that way, when you're looking to see what font you want to use, you've got like a little cheat sheet of what each of the fonts looks like. So you could do that. You can see my recents. These are the ones that I use a lot. So I love the Donuts and Cookies. I love Think Big. I love Simplicity. I love Sticky Marker. Now, remember, some iPad apps will make you manually install things. GoodNotes does not. Once it's installed on your iPad, it is in your GoodNotes file, not a big deal. But you can take this and you can have so much fun, and you can customize your iPad 1,000 different ways with these. So you guys have fun, and I'll check with you next Wednesday. Bye guys.